Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to see how can we set up VS Code in Mac and Windows OS. We'll see how can we download VS Code and how can we install it. And as the last step, we'll see how can we add plugins and extensions to the VS Code IDE. So let's get started. So we should open a new tab basically in this browser. Currently I'm working with Chrome, but you can work with any browser which has been installed in your machine. You search for maybe download VS Code. So this is the first link which is coming from like code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website. You click on the first link. Now, if you are working with Windows operating system, so you can click here. And if you are working with Mac, then you can click here. So once you do the click, so the download should get started. Yeah, the download has been started. See, so I already have this file basically. So let me open it in the Finder. Now to install the VS Code, basically, you just unzip it. You just perform the double click operation and we get this application. Okay. Now you double click on it, you click on the open and the VS Code should be installed. Okay, maybe in case of Windows you'll get the installation screen. So in that case what you need to do basically you open the application and finish the installation with all the default settings and this should be installed. Okay, now to actually add the extensions, basically you see there are multiple options here inside the left side panel of this VS Code. Okay, so this is something called Explorer. This is for the search, this is for source control, this is for run and debug, and this is the one like fifth one is for the extensions. So for example, you can add the extensions like maybe like Cucumber. You type Cucumber here, you search for Cucumber and you say this Cucumber plugin basically has been officially coming from the Cucumber website. So I already have added this, so this is why it is giving me the option for disable and uninstall. Other than Cucumber, we can add more plugins as well. For example, SonarLint. Okay, this is also I have added. Maybe you can work with Postman. This is also an official one. Like this has not been developed by any third-party resource and they have deployed it. No, this is directly coming from the Postman. You can actually add Postman as a VS Code extension. Okay, so likewise, there are multiple extensions which has been available, which are available with the VS Code, which you can add. For example, there is one more like GitHub Actions. So this is basically a feature given by GitHub team. So with the help of this, what you can do, you can deploy, you can execute your test cases in the pipelines, for example, in the CI environment. Okay. So this is how we can actually add the extensions in the VS Code. So I think we are good with the session. That's all for this session. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.